So we're gonna be really exciting and start this weekend vlog a couple of days early because we have a special guest that you might have already seen peeking out in the corner here. Doggy! Not our dog, unfortunately, but her name is Rhea. She is my boss's dog and we are dog sitting for the weekend. So it's Thursday night now. I picked her up after work, brought her back, taken her for a walk. It's so hot today. Oh my gosh, it's like muggy, 30 some degrees. And then tomorrow I'm off because my boss is our way, so I will watch her, take her for a walk and all that, and then we're gonna head up to my parents' house for the weekend. Going for a woodsy walk now, found a little trail. It's nice, but it's hot. Joel's still hogging the dog. He's loving it. I'm not in focus, so that's okay. There they are. Ooh, going to the park. Rhea! Woohoo! Rhea, are you having fun? Rhea! She just wants to go. She's like, come on, let's go. Do you want to walk somewhere? Yeah? Beautiful. Come on. Can you see the sweat? Here, and here, and here. Holy crap, hola! I know, it's crazy. It is almost the end of the day now. I have taken this one out for a couple of walks. Oops. W-A-L-Ks. Taken her out a couple of times today, took her down to the beach for a little bit, took her to the park for a little bit. We're just waiting for Joel to get home from work, and then we will get on the road. It's happening! I found him. He made it home. We're on the road.
We're on the road again.
It's hot! And we got giant, mine's even bigger, frozen drinks to keep us cool. And Rhea has the window. She's trying to sneak her out. Rhea! You liking that fresh air? Stop. Rascal has stolen Rhea's bed. Poor Rhea. Rascal, what are you doing? That's not yours. What's she doing? Or what's he doing, Rhea? That's your bed.
Yeah, well, don't be started.
She's like, oh, I'm not messing with him. Take her for a W-A-L-K. She's like, oh, I want out there in the world. Rhea's having a ball.
Drop it down. I need the sand. Drop it. Rhea.
She's like, come on, you're too slow. Holy.
Right into the tree.
Come on.
Good girl.
So it is Saturday morning now. It's probably only like 8 o'clock, 8:30. And we got up and let Rhea out this morning. Had some breakfast outside. It's such a beautiful morning. The bugs were a bit bad early, but the sun's coming out, so it's nice now. So we've come into town. We're taking her for a walk and a swim. Nice, good girl. How's the water? Did you feel it?
No.
No. Joel went swimming. Joel and Rhea went swimming at our place last night.
Good girl.
Come on.
Good girl.
Shake it off.
Rhea.
Come on. Come on. Good girl. Good girl.
That is a good girl.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin, and I know it's never gonna end, 'cause you've been a good friend.
Someone's tuckered out now. I love seeing her jump off. Good girl. Sunday, we're just going for a little coffee run into town, and Joel is feeling better now. He got a little bit of heat stroke last night. Poor guy.
Made it.
He made it. He's looking good. Look at him in his tropical clothes, his cute hat that cost $3. Oops, that's not three at H&M. Yeah, I had to take care of him. Poor thing. Our house is really hot. We don't have air conditioning, but we have a basement that's a lot colder. So by shortly after dinner, he'd just been in the sun way too long, and it was so hot all day. So finally got him to have a cold shower, took him downstairs, got him set up in the cold basement. We ended up bringing the dog downstairs last night. We just all slept down there because it was way colder. And he's feeling better this morning. What are you gonna get at Timmy's?
Frozen raspberry.
Yeah, I need something cold today.
It is cold.
Yeah, I know. I need something cold too. Probably they have the frozen lemonades, or I might get an iced cap. Iced cap.
Yeah, iced coffee.
Iced coffee. No.